End of day cleaning for your Slayer. You'll need a flathead screwdriver. Press up hard and twist to crack it. Once it's cracked, it should be very loose. Then you just need to use 2 fingers to loosen it. It's very hot, so be really careful. Suggestion is to use a dry tea towel to remove the screw in the shower screen so you don't burn yourself. Then wipe the top plate so it's nice and clean. Then place your screw and shower screen. If you have a 2 or 3 group, you'll place all of them into there. And then put your Inverso coffee chemical. And then place water to submerge completely. A little tip, I like to then bring that water to a boil using the steam wand so that the chemical is nice and foamy and it will be really active and it'll do a really good job. The water needs to be above 95 degrees for the chemical to be completely active, and then just put aside and soak for 15 minutes. Then using your blind filter and using your Inverso coffee machine chemical, you want to place half a teaspoon of chemical in the blind filter, and then you want to purge the hot water tap and then run some hot water, and then use a spoon or the end of that spoon to stir it to activate the chemical so the chemical powder, the granules dissolve. Leave it for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then using the toggle, turn the toggle to the left and then again to go to full clean, then push the toggle in once and then select the group that you want to. You can do all of them at the same time if you have 3 blind filters. It'll count down by 100 seconds, so it'll pulse purges. Once complete, we then want to remove the blind filter, rinse, and then push the toggle back in and select the flush. It'll just continually run. Leave the group handle out on the Slayer when you do that. Then placing your basket in and sitting your group handle on top, adding water to the level about a centimeter under the handle, the leather or the plastic or the rubber handle that you have. You do not want the chemical to touch the handle. As you can see, I'm just keep topping it up just so it's completely submerged. As you can see, I have a gap between the handle. You do not want the foam to do that. So suggestion is using hot water. Once that's done, we want to start cleaning process. So cleaning your screw and the shower screens that you've put aside that have been soaking for 15 minutes. Rinse them, scrub them, and then dry them. And set them aside for reassembly. So nice and clean, ready for the next day. Then you want to put your handle back in, shower screen back in, screw it up. A little tip is I would only do these hand tight. You don't need to nip them up. If you over tighten the screw, you will bend the shower screen. So you just need to nip them up. Just as you can see, just 1 mil, and then that's it, ready to go for the next day.